Welcome to Taste Buds and Sunita. Today, let's make crunchy dalia chikki, a healthy and delicious snack that's perfect for the frosty winter. Packed with roasted chana dal and jaggery, this traditional treat is sure to warm your heart. Let's dive right into the recipe. The ratio of jaggery and dalia should be 1:1 to achieve perfect texture and sweetness. Start by dry roasting 1 cup of dalia in a pan over medium heat until it releases a nutty aroma. Set it aside to cool. Now in a pan add 1 cup of jaggery and less than 1/4 cup of water. Heat gently, stirring continuously until the jaggery melts. Add 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder grounded with sugar, 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder to enhance the flavor. Mix in 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee to give the mixture a beautiful glaze. To check the consistency, take a few drops of liquid and add them to a bowl of water. It will gather into a soft lump. Keep stirring the jaggery syrup continuously. Cook the syrup further. Repeat the test until the syrup forms a hard, crystalline lump when added to water. This is the right consistency for chikki. Once the syrup is ready, immediately add the roasted dalia and mix well. Turn off the heat and act quickly to shape the chikki. Grease 2 sheets of parchment paper with ghee. Pour the hot mixture onto one sheet. Place the second sheet over the mixture and use a rolling pin to flatten it evenly. Use a knife to mark the flattened mixture into a desired shape while it is still warm. Let the chikki cool for 2 to 3 hours to harden completely. Now break it along the markings to form small pieces of chikki. Your crunchy dalia chikki is ready to enjoy. Perfectly sweet, crisp and full of flavor. This treat is a healthy indulgence for the winter months. Thank you for tuning into Taste Buds and Sunita. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such delectable creations. Until next time, happy cooking and stay warm.